Hello, welcome back to Driving and Learning. My name is Oliver Lepke and I help network marketers grow their business. In today's video, I want to talk about the most important thing in achieving your goals. We in network marketing work alone a lot, and what happens between our ears is every day is the most important thing. And if you don't have that straight, then you can sponsor all day, you can do a lot of work all day, but if you don't have your mind straight and things that are important in place, then you just can't become successful. So what's the most important thing out of all these things is something called vision. Something that you should do every single day and visualize things that you want to become or goals that you want to reach. So I wonder how many of you do visualization. Sorry, my English is not perfect. And how many of you are actually taking advantage of that and using it for your benefit to reach your goals? So how does that work? How does that look like? Well, it works like this. You basically imagine something, and something that you want to reach, something who you want to become, and you have to visualize this and also create a feeling inside yourself reaching that. And how is that gonna feel when you reach it? How are you gonna feel? What are you gonna wear, and what you're gonna say, and how you're gonna feel? And you see, this is a big difference what we human have, what animals don't. Animals don't have that feature, they don't have this benefit, they're not granted in their life to imagine things, something that they haven't seen before. And we have this power to do so. And if you take advantage of this visualization and you create this vision of becoming pretty much anything who you want to become, and if you connect that from your gut and your brain and your heart, and if you live that and you keep imagining that on daily basis, and then of course you support that with your action steps, with your work, with your daily work, then and only then you can become completely unstoppable of reaching anything you want. Hopefully this is useful, hopefully this is helpful. I do have a video that explains this in much more details. So if you're interested, reach out to me, send me a message. I would like to share this power of visualization and how to reach pretty much any goals you want, whether it comes to business, your personal life, and anything. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for your likes, for your comments, your love. And I'll see you again in another session of Driving and Learning. Bye-bye.